So, hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is a you versus them current energy check in for the next 72 hours. Please keep in mind the rules can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the reading, honey. Sometimes messages are not for you guys. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Let's see, Libra, on your side, what we have. On your side, let's see what we have. Oh God, come here, baby. What's happening? They're like, nope, not doing today. So we have Knight of Pentacles, the Magician, Six of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Swords. Slowly but surely, you guys are manifesting this energy of moving on towards calmer water, leaving something or someone behind for good, because this is creating a lot of stagnant energies in your life. This is not going anywhere, this is not moving anywhere. There's a lot of and like being stuck in this kind of energy, kind of dynamic. So there is this energy of being stuck on something or someone from quite a long time now. And now you guys are manifesting a way out of that situation so that you guys can peacefully move towards calmer water and find your happiness. Maybe somewhere else with something else or someone else, right? Bottom of the deck is a Queen of Swords. Now you guys are like 1000% sure. You can say you guys have crystal clear clarity that this situation is not going to give you what you really want or what you're looking forward to have in your life. So it's better for you to keep moving forward rather than looking back. So maybe till this point of time you guys were waiting for someone to show up in good energies or good vibes, or you guys were waiting for someone to be with you. You guys are waiting for something to happen till this point of your life, and now you guys are realizing that that something might never happen. Now you guys are manifesting this energy of moving on towards calmer water and leaving something or someone behind for good. Okay, let's see the message from the romance angels for your side. We have free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. See, this is a time for you guys to leave the situation behind and start living your life to the fullest. You might be keeping yourself stuck on this situation from quite a long time now, and now you got the clarity. Now you understood that this is never going to be something that you want it to be. So what's the use of wasting your life and efforts on something that's almost dead, nearly dead? Let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to. So we have the Knight of Cups, the Sun card, and the Star card. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Swords. This person is also, they are also get 1000% clarity in their life regarding this situation. This person is full of love and compassion. They want to maybe have full on closure. They want to talk to you maybe regarding whatever happened, but this person is very clear now that they have to start healing themselves. They have to start remaining optimistic and positive and open to the idea of going to the next chapter of their life. For some of you, they might have already found someone that they are dealing with and they're quite happy about it. For others of you, they're open to the idea of healing this situation between you and them, in the sense that having a proper closure, maybe having the final communication, maybe the message communication apology that you guys might require so that you guys can move ahead. So this is someone whose energies are very open to the idea of healing the situation between you and them by talking it out at some point of time. here the healing represents that closing the chapter in a proper way, closing the chapter without any kind of revenge or hateful or painful kind of energies. Bottom of the deck is a Queen of Swords. They also got the 100%, or you can say they also got the crystal clear clarity about the situation, that situation, that this might not be the one for them also. So both of you are clear about the situation, that right now it's not meant for both of you. You are trying to move on, you are trying to manifest this energy of moving on towards calmer water, leaving this situation behind. They are like, if it is required to have one last communication, maybe, or proper closure, maybe they are open to the idea of doing that at some point of time, not immediately but eventually. This is what they're up to. Let's see from their side what we have. You deserve love, you are lovable. So right now this person is feeling like they deserve love, they are also lovable. So if they're not able to find it here in this dynamics, they will be able to find it somewhere else with someone else, maybe. Okay, so they are just preparing themselves for the next relationship, the next connection, next bond of their life. According to them, the next one is going to be a real deal for them. Okay, I don't know if it is going to be or not, but this is what they're up to. Let's see for the connection what we have, honey. Libra. We have the Knight of Wands, the Three of Cups, and the Two of Cups. There, okay. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Pentacles. You know, this situation is heading towards this energy of one of you finding a soulmate in someone else. Hmm? This situation is actually heading towards freedom. Both of you are now free to connect with other people, other energies. Both of you are now free to, find your soulmates, find your respective soulmates in other people. So it's like this situation is heading towards freedom for both of you, and both of you are going to feel like now whatever or whosoever you are going to connect with next is going to have a potential to become a long term soulmate kind of energy. This situation, wherever you are, in whatever situation you are, a friendly kind of coming together can also happen between you guys, but the kind of love that you guys are looking forward to have, that is missing, because one of you is finding their soulmate, finding their love with someone else here. Pick which side is yours. The other one is still on the lookout, is still in this energy of, yeah, I'm having fun, I'm doing my thing, I'm just open to the idea of connecting with someone. The other person, they are actually connected with someone already, or they are feeling excited about finding their soulmate. So they are much more inclined in that direction. For this connection, a friendship kind of deal can happen, but both of you coming on the same page and heading towards the same direction, that is not happening for the time being, at least. Okay, this is difficult. Like, the bizarre thing here is that there is still feelings in the situation, actually, from both the sides, but one of you is being very very clear that you are not their soulmate, or you are clear that they are not yours. So it's difficult. The last message: heart to heart conversation, honestly discuss your feelings with each other. If both of you can come on the same page, both of you can talk to each other, openly and honestly about your feelings, about your insecurities, about what you guys are looking forward to have from each other, then this situation can have a restart once again. But again, there is this energy of coming on the same page. At least you guys can talk it out with each other properly and honestly. At least you guys can talk about your feelings to each other, and talk about your future plans regarding the situation. That is going to help both of you to figure out what you guys should do to maybe reconcile or come on the same page or something like that, if it is possible. So if not, then might be you guys have to say goodbye to the situation eventually. Let's see the message, the guidance for Libra. World card. This is a completion of a cycle, but some kind of residual energies are still left. So you guys have to finish the unfinished business or businesses completely before moving forward towards anything new or anyone new. So completion of a proper completion of a cycle in a particular situation is important in order for you guys to move towards the next chapter of your life, whether it's a person or situation or just moving on, right? So that's the deal for Libra people for the next 72 hours. So thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.